Now this little Mamod, I think, is a 1948 or 1949 SE1, but I'll have to confer with my fellow model steam engine collector and Mamod expert Mike Stacey on that, but I think that's what this is. It's got a brass flywheel, hot stamp brass engine mount. It's all there apart from the burner. At the moment the piston is seized, but that should be fairly easy to free up, and the feet have rotted away, but that's quite normal on these. It's in a pretty poor state, but it's nothing that can't be sorted out and cleaned up. These are very unusual in the fact that the level filler plug is at the other end of the boiler. The boiler is also drawn without the... Normally Mamod boilers have external end caps. This has no end cap on the boiler at this end and an internal end cap at that end, which is unusual for Mamods. Firebox is a bit beaten up. That can all be straightened out, and yeah, there's no transfer logo on it, so I can stick the base and the firebox in the grip blaster and get that all cleaned up and repainted. But yeah, this is definitely not one that I had in my collection. I'm very pleased to have it. Well, here's the 1948 Mamod SE1 all finished. Came up really nicely. That's not... I still haven't got a burner for it. That one's one I borrowed from another Mamod. But yeah, that looks really nice. I had to make a new boiler band for it because the other one was too badly corroded. The thread insert for the level plug was had been pulled out of the boiler, so I managed to get it separated from the level plug and resolder it in place. But yeah, it's come out really, really well. Especially the flywheel, which just required cleaning. So I think it's time to see if it'll steam. Well, here it is, the recently restored 1948 Mamod SE1, and I think we're about ready to go. Let's give it some steam. Yes, there we go, look at that, lovely. I don't have a burner for it yet. This is a burner I've borrowed from another one of my Mamods, but it's a 2-wick burner. I'm not sure whether this should be a 3-wick or a 2-wick on this one. I think it's probably 2-wick given the size of the boiler, but as you can see, it runs a treat. Just purring along there, lovely. Should be able to throttle it back a bit. Yeah, excellent control. Yeah, I'm well pleased with that. In the end, I had to use a brand new level plug insert because the original one, there just wasn't enough meat left on it, and it almost fell through the hole into the boiler. So I've gone for a new level plug insert, and I've put that's a new level plug in there, not the original. No, it runs a treat. I'm well pleased with it. There's just something about these old early Mamods with the hot stamp brass engine mounts and that. They're just superb. So anyway, there you go, 1948 Mamod SE1 under steam for the first time after its renovation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks very much for watching.